Welcome to Felt the Food. I'm Phoebe, the maker of the original DIY kit that allows you to begin making felt food today. Join me in the craft kitchen for today's make. Today in the craft kitchen, we are making Halloween Boo cookies. In your kit, you will find the pattern along with all of the coordinating thread. Using the thread shown, remove and cut roughly half of the thread. Thread your needle by gently inserting the thread through the eye of the needle and pulling your thread through about halfway. In one hand, you will have your needle, and in the other, you will have the longest end of your thread. Using your needle, take the strands and divide so that you have only one thread. Holding firmly, wrap all of the thread around 3 times. Hold on to the knot and pull it all the way until you get back to the end. When you release, you will have what is known as a quilter's knot. To attach the icing on your cookie, we will be using the running stitch. Insert your needle through the back of your felt, making sure you insert through both pieces. Watch as I do this. This is a very simple stitch. Continue to use your running stitch until your patterns are fully attached. To secure the thread, you will want to use your needle to pick up a small amount of felt. In one hand, hold the loop and insert your needle, wrapping the loop thread around 3 times. Pull the thread through and you will notice you have made a secure knot. To add the eye detail, we will be using a stitch called the French knot. Insert your needle through the back of the pattern. Create a loop and wrap your needle around 3 times. Insert your needle as close to the original stitch as possible and hold firmly onto the knot. When the thread has been fully threaded through the back, you should have a tiny knot. To secure the thread, you will want to use your needle to pick up a small amount of felt. In one hand, hold the loop and insert your needle, wrapping the loop thread around 3 times. Pull the thread through and you will notice you have made a secure knot. Now it's time to change your thread. Now we're going to put these 2 patterns together. We're going to do this using the blanket stitch. To begin your blanket stitch, you will insert through the back pattern. Now go through the top pattern and run your needle through to create that loop. This is going to be the start of your blanket stitch. I want you to put your needle down and watch again as I do this. Again, this is the start of your blanket stitch. Your next stitch will go through both pieces, and before securing, you will go back through the loop. Feel free to put your needle down and watch as I do a few of these stitches. Make sure that once you are halfway around your pattern, you take a moment to add your stuffing. You'll notice that I am using low loft batting. I'm doing this because I want my cookie to remain on the flatter side. I could use the polyfill, which is fluffy, but I think it would alter the end shape that I'm looking for. I'll let you decide which one you'd like to use. This is always my favorite part. We're finally starting to see this design come together. Insert your needle right next to your knot and go through your pattern to lose the thread. Carefully cut and fluff your pattern to remove any trace of loose thread. Congratulations! You've made Halloween Boo Cookies. Now, although I'm only showing you one type of Halloween Boo Cookie to make, see the inspiration for all the others that you can make in this kit. I hope you've enjoyed this as much as I have. If you loved this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I can't wait to see what you make next.